Hi everyone, thanks for joining me on my channel, Creative Unique Treasures. It's me, Trisha, and I've got a different kind of video that I wanted to start. I've been doing some upcycling on some flannel shirts, and I thought I'd show you what I've been doing, what I've gotten done so far. And so I thought I made a few on my own to see if I like doing it, and I really like doing it. Well, I gotta snip a few of these strings, but I really enjoy doing this. So I thought I'd show you what I've been doing on my spare time, and I thought I'd go ahead and do a video of upcycling shirts, making them a little bit more shabby chic or upcycled or a little edgy or just whatever, just making them a little bit more feminine. And this is, like I said, this is a men's flannel shirt, and so I added some appliques on here, and this is my first time doing the stitching, so it is starting to fray a little bit, but that's okay with me. First I took the flannel shirt before I did any of the applying of the appliques, and I bleached it so you can see that it's different colored. I just took a wet rag and I put it on the flannel here and there, and then I washed it and rinsed it really well. But here I put on this shirt I put some appliques, some roses and leaves, and then right here over the pocket I put lace and some lace up top there to outline that, and I went ahead and put more roses on this side. Let me go reach up there, and on the bottom of the shirt I added this ruffle along the bottom, so this goes all the way from the front to the back, all the way around. So that's one. This is my first one I did, and it buttons down. I went ahead and buttoned it. When I wear it, I button it all the way down, and then it closes, you know, right here at the end. So let me go ahead and show you around the bottom. So this is and then this is the back. You can tell I've been sewing. So here's the back, and it's bleached here and there. I like how the bleaching turned out, and it turned like an orange color. And then here's the back of the shirt with the ruffle, and I sewed the ruffle on the inside. So there's that one. And here's my second one. This one I ended up doing a lot more work to and a lot more sewing because I felt more comfortable. But here's this one. I'll take the hanger off here. And I ended up putting my my business name inside here, Creative Unique Treasures, and I ended up doing some zigzag stitching and adding some flowers and roses, or roses and leaves, I'm sorry. This one I bleached first. I'll show you the back first. This is the back. The back is more plain. I bleached this shirt also before I even started. And it turned like a white, which is made it really pretty and shabby chic. I bleached it here and there, so it's going all the way, you know, on the bottom. And then on the front, I did a lot more work. I did a lot more different things on this one that I did on my first one. I ended up removing the buttons because I wanted this to be a vest. And so when I removed the buttons, This is the side with the buttonholes. And I just ended up folding that over and sewing that down. So this is the front. So I folded that and then I sewed it. This, and I cut all the pockets out, and I won't mind this fraying, this around here, their edge. I used some zigzag stitching on this one, and I added some of the tatered, I guess it's called tattered, like a potato tatter, tattered, excuse me, I'm sorry. And I used some zigzag. Forgive me if I make a mistake on my words. I'm just learning. So, and I did some straight stitching around the leaves and the roses. Now down here, I ended up, this is a piece of flannel that's behind the shirt. There's two different materials. This is a piece of flannel, and I ended up making a patch for this one right here because it was so large, and I thought I'm going to be at the sewing machine. So I took this piece of material, and then I applied the applique to it, and then I sewed it all the way around. And then I had to hand stitch a little bit here and there. But then I took the patch, and then I added the patch to the shirt, and it was a lot easier. I just had to go a straight stitch all the way around in a square. So that made it a lot easier for that big applique on that side. On this side, I have just some lace underneath this flower, which turned out really pretty and shabby chic. And then there's another applique right here that I put on. And then I put one going down, and I left that, I guess it's tattered. I believe it's tattered. It's almost like the serger stitching. And then it's like it's starting to fray a little bit, but that's okay with me. I want it to do just a little bit of fraying. And I did cut this pocket out too also. So then I just have this just this raw edge. And this is the other side that I sewed. This is where the buttons were. And this kind of went this way. And then I just folded it this way, and I sewed it with a straight stitch. So there's that one. And then I did cut the sleeves. They were at a 3/4 sleeve, and they were very odd to wear, and the sleeve kind of came to about here, and it just felt really weird. It was the sleeves weren't comfortable for me, so I cut them, and then I did a hem on there on both sides. And then I did the ruffle on this is a bed sheet, and I just pinch pleated it, and I did some zigzagging, pinch pleated it all the way around. It's a bed sheet, and it pretty much matched. This is not even the same material. This is a bed sheet, and this is a curtain. I believe it was a curtain. So that really matched really quite well. Now on the back I have a different applique. I did this applique first, and then I changed over to this one. But I like that's kind of pretty on there, so I left that there. But all the way around I pleated it, and then I did the zigzag stitching. And around the collar, I didn't like the men's collars. I gotta learn how to do that a little bit better, but I don't mind this. I cut the collar off, and it's just a really comfortable kind of like vest shirt. So that was my second one. It's really comfortable to wear. So now I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to do a video of upcycling a shirt. So I'm going to do a video, and I wanted to show you what I was going to, how the process of it. And I have this shirt right here, and I already bleached it. There's some bleaching. It's kind of like a brown or orange, and it has, like, on the gray, it has a little bit of different colors. So this is going to be the shirt I'm going to start with, and I've already done bleached it. I will be cutting the sleeves and doing a flared sleeve, like a flared like that. And I will be doing a ruffle, and I will be putting a word on the back of it out of jean material. But this is what I'm going to start with. I will be cutting the sleeves about 8 inches up, cutting them off. But I wanted to show you what I'm going to start with. This is what I'm starting with. And then I'm going to do ruffles, and I'm going to do patches. But I'm going to do my, around here, the ruffle on the bottom. I'm going to do a little different. I'm going to do, I'm going to bleach these. These are jammy pants bottoms. There's that pair. There's this pair. And I have a half a pair here. I don't know what happened to the leg. One of the legs I cut off for another project. So these are the 3 pairs of 2.5 pairs of jammy bottoms, and that's going to be my ruffle on the bottom and along this on the bottom of the sleeve too. So I plan on doing that, and then I plan on putting probably a piece, like the word piece on the back in big letters. And I plan on taking this and in the front and kind of go like, cut it like this way for the front, like a diagonal, so that it's shorter in the front and that the ruffle just kind of goes around. So I'll be showing you what I'm doing. So I just wanted to jump on and let you know what I'm up to, and if you find this content helpful, please subscribe to my channel. It helps me out a great deal, and I hope you enjoy your day, and I thank you so much for watching.